Welcome to lecture number 6. In this lesson, we will look into various approaches for improving the initial query formulation using information that is related to the query intent. So in this case, by related, we means information that can be used to retrieve documents that are likely to be considered relevant to the initial query. So in most cases, when we are looking for certain information, we just don't know what to type. So we having difficulty to formulate queries that are well designed for retrieval purposes. So when we try Google, when we type marketing, the Google system may suggest a few suggestion keywords that you may have to type. So this is based on the popularity of the keyword. And then what we want to do is we want to look into the result, and then based on the result, we need to reformulate the query in order to get better result based on our own interest. So basically, the first query formulation should be treated as an initial attempt to retrieve relevant information. So we just key in the keyword, and then the system will rank the document for you, and then they will display all these and rank document. So it is up for us, up to the user, to key in to basically analyze the result given to us, and then based on the document given to us, we will try to improve our initial query by reformulating our query. So this is normally happen when we try to get, or we do not find the exact document or the right document that we are looking for. The process of querying modification is commonly referred as relevant feedback, when the user provides information on relevant document to the query, and also query expansion, when information related to the query is used to expand it. So for example, if we have our initial query, we assume to have all these document, the top 4 document. For example, like if we have this top 4, so we assume they are relevant to the query. So when we try to move our query to this position, because this is the center of all these 4 query, so basically we are reformulating the query to get better result. So at the end we will have something like this. Let me erase this one first. So we will get something like this. So the new point, the new position is referred as the new query that we have expanded or reformulated. So there are two basic approaches of feedback. So one is called explicit feedback, in which we get the feedback directly from the customer or from the user based on the survey given to them. So or based on the result that given to them. So they will give us input on which document are important to them. So this is like very time consuming, in which we get the input from them directly, or we can look into the information that derive implicitly. So this is what we call implicit feedback, in which the information for query reformulation is implicitly derived by the system. So based on our behavior, like where do we click, what pages we watch, and what search term that we use. So Based on this behavior or based on this input, they will derive the information in order to expand the query.